So I was washing dishes Friday after lunch and I dreamed of a silverware drying cup. So now it's Saturday morning and the challenge is to do something about it. I really should have gotten out my handbook of applied mathematics and boned up on geometry again. But I'm really just going to use trial and error till I get it right here. How did I get that to come out perfectly the way I didn't want it? Just looking to provide for some drainage and some ventilation while the silverware dries. We just keep using simple shapes over and over and over again, putting in, taking away. This is designing in 3D. So now we're going to slice the model. Here we're looking at a brim and touching build plate for support. And then all the thicknesses are 1.2 millimeters. So I'm really looking for 100% fill. And I'm playing around to see whether 0.4 or 0.8 perimeter yields a better time. I know sometimes if you specify too much of a perimeter on a thin structure, you'll get a lot of irregularities. Okay, so we're firing up Octoprint. We're copying that job over there and getting it started. You can see things are heating up. We'll watch the first few layers come down here, and then we'll go to the time lapse from the Octoprint unit itself. Okay, so here we are, the finished product. Just a little cleanup and it'll be perfect, I think. I can't wait to press it into service. Anyway, thanks to those of you that have already subscribed. Please do subscribe, share, and like. And we'll be making more interesting tech videos. Thank you very much.